Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when we post videos. Well, today is day 2. I'm at Ron Eats in a Day doing the egg fast, and today we're going to be making an egg loaf. Now, I absolutely love egg loaves, and so what you'll need for this, obviously, is eggs. Now, we just happen to have 8 eggs out at room temperature. We're going to crack the eggs into a measuring cup because I don't want to get any shells. And we're going to be putting the eggs and everything that's going to go into this Ninja Blender bullet. And you'll also need a stick of butter that's softened already at room temperature. A block of cream cheese or your favorite brand. This happens to be the store-bought brand. I prefer the Philadelphia brand, but that's what I had on hand. And then we're going to make it really simple. I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg in, some vanilla extract, and we're going to put a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of cinnamon on top to make a little rustic design. We're going to mix it up really well, and then we're going to put it in this pan I have. We'll spray it with a little bit of cooking oil spray. Pop that in the oven at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes till the toothpick comes out clean. And then we'll let it, we'll cover it and have it later and come back and talk about it. And before I start filming it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps other people know when we post videos. And I've made this plenty of times, and I'm quite confident how it's going to come out. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take the camera and I'm going to put it on the overhead, and you can just follow me along. And I hope you enjoy the video. So here we have our 8 eggs. I'm going to take them and crack them into our measuring cup. As you can see, we got our 8 eggs cracked. So now we're going to pour them carefully into our Ninja blender. And it's going to be a tight fit, but everything should all fit fine. About a half of a teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, guys, when you're cooking. One block of cream cheese, or 6 ounces. I think it's 6 ounces. Or this is 8 ounces, but if you got a block that says 6 ounces, that's fine. It all works. And we have our butter. Okay. Okay. Now let's go get that mixed, and I'll show you the next process. So we have our Ninja blender. We're going to take our egg loaf and get it going. Now here's the tip of the day. When you pour that, leave that sit there for at least 5 minutes before you put that in the oven, and it'll set better. Okay, so we forgot to put our powdered sugar in it. We just did. It should be fine. So now we're going to get that in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, day 2, this is what we're having today. We're having the egg loaf we made yesterday. Now I cut it up into 4 slices, and then I took this piece and I put it into the air fryer. I wanted to see how it toasted. I put it on for 390 for about 4 minutes, and you can see this is the back side. And I want it a little more crunchy. Maybe if I'm going to have another piece of that, I'll probably put the other piece on for a little bit more. But typically I'll take a little bit of maple syrup, just put it on top, maybe about a tablespoon or so. This is the Vermont free maple syrup. It's okay. It's not really the best of maple syrup, but you do you. The choice would have been Chalk Zero. I usually get that on Amazon, but I don't happen to have any right now. So let's give it a taste test together. Look at that, guys, huh? It's really, really, really good. Now this would be, I did 8 eggs. This would be equivalent to having 2 eggs. It's really, really good. So this is just a recap of what we did. We took 8 eggs, room temperature, put them in the Ninja blender bullet. We took a stick of butter and 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And then we took a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and that was about it. And I was supposed to put in 1/4 of a cup of powdered swerve, but I ended up adding that afterwards because I had forgotten to put it in. And it still came out really, really good. And once I got it all mixed and put it in the, I think it was the small pan that I had, I sprayed it with a little bit of cooking oil spray and laid it flat in the oven for about 40 minutes at about 350, and it came out really, really good. And it popped it out. It did rise a little bit, but it did deflate afterwards. And this is the final product. So let me know what you guys think. Have you ever had an egg loaf before? I would say I definitely would get this a thumbs up. So this is day 2 on Ron Eats in a Day, and I'll come back in day 3 and talk about what we did for activity today. We had a good walk this morning and visited the old neighborhood, and I'll talk about all that tomorrow. But this is on day 2 of what Ron eats in a day. Today we're having an egg loaf, and it's really, really simple, really delicious. And if you never made one, try it. And if you do make one, let me know how it came out. Let me know, give me a taste test on it. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, guys.